Well, this is my 1660 Super. I'm selling it, and I'm gonna thermal paste it for the person now. Temperatures were pretty decent, but every time I played Division 2, they were always in the 95s, 96, and for me that was just a little too high, so I'm gonna put new thermal paste. Just pre-unscrewed it already, as you can see. I ain't want to make the video me unscrewing them and blah blah blah. Bunch of screws you gotta take off just to get to certain screws. I don't know if you can see, but there's a screw right there, and there's no way for me to get into it, so I'm gonna have to take off the fans just to see if I can get to that screw there. This is the alcohol that I use to take off the thermal paste. You just put a little bit on a piece of napkin or Q-tips, but I ran out of Q-tips, so I'm gonna use the napkin to clean all that old stuff off and put the new thermal paste. You want to get off as much as you can. I'll clean this off in a few minutes. And now comes this side. Again, get off as much as you can. You see how it is. That's the thermal paste I use. It's pretty good. I used it on other PCs, and the temperatures right now, after a year, still great. But this one really needed it. It was real bad. So what you're gonna do is, you're just gonna put, not a lot, and then you just spread it around. Try to find something flat to spread it. So you wanna spread it around like that, all over the chip. And then I always put like a little dot right there for like that. When it closes, it actually expands just a little bit more. And then comes the closing part. Close it, and then we're gonna test how's the cooling, what's the temperatures on it. So let's start doing that then. First is first. You have to put this clip back there. it goes. That's the temperature now. Not bad. From 98, 99 to 64. CPU 38, 36, around there.